Tutorial number 15 in CATIA. We have this profile from the previous tutorial, and as we know, we are in the operation menu. We talked already with the corner, chamfer, and now let's talk about trim and quick trim. In the next menu, the relimitation. So let's choose trim. As we know, trim is just to remove the excess parts of a line or edges or whatever. So we have the trim already used, selected. Also you can select it from the right side here, trim, and let's just trim this excess line. Let's choose this line and this line, so we have CATIA trimmed that excess line. And now let's use the quick trim. The quick trim doing the same job, but with, if you choose for example that line, it's going to trim it directly. As you notice, let's draw some lines here. Now let's choose quick trim. If you choose this one, it will directly trim it without the need choosing two lines as we did before with the trim. For example, if you choose this one, you have this line, you trim it. Also, if you choose this line from this side, so it's going to keep this side and trim the other side. Ctrl Z. But let's activate again. If you choose from this side, this side is going to trim the second side. Ctrl Z. Let's choose these two lines. Let's make trim this one, this one. So you have to choose your side and which to keep and which to trim. Ctrl Z. But in the quick trim again, you don't need to choose two lines. You just quickly choose what to trim, and CATIA going automatically trim the excess quick trim. Let's draw under lines to show you the other option for the quick trim. When you choose the quick trim, you have three different types of trimming. You can easily understand the function of the trim just by looking at the picture. So if you choose this one, so it's going to trim the inside part of this line. Let's make Ctrl Z and quick trim. If you choose this one and point it to the middle, so it will trim the outside sides of the line. Ctrl Z. And we have this type. If you point to it, so it's not going to trim, but it's going to break the line. As you notice, you can choose any part and can delete this one and keep that one. So I am done with the trim options, and see you in the next tutorial.